In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share my Bill.com profile with a client. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can connect with your clients quickly and make sure payments flow smoothly between your accounts. The good news is that this is a short, simple workflow once you know exactly where to look. First, sign in to your Bill.com account as you normally would. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll want to head over to the Settings area. Depending on your layout, this is usually found as a gear icon or a settings option in your navigation menu. Go ahead and click into Settings. This is where Bill.com keeps most of the configuration options for your company and your profile. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Company Profile. This is where the system stores your organization's key information. Under Company Profile, you'll see an option called Network. Select Network. The network area is all about connecting with other Bill.com users, such as your vendors, clients, and partners, so this is exactly where we need to be. On this network page, you'll see something called your Payment Network ID, often abbreviated as PNI. Take a moment to locate this number and make a note of it. This PNI is essentially your unique identifier within the Bill.com network. Think of it like your address inside the Bill.com ecosystem. It tells the platform exactly which company profile belongs to you, so connections and payments can be routed correctly. Once you've found your payment network ID, the final step is to share this ID with your client. You can send it to them by email, chat, or whatever communication method you normally use. Let them know that this is your Bill.com payment network ID and that they should enter it into their own Bill.com account. From the client side, they will log in to Bill.com, go to their network or vendor search area, and enter your PNI to find your profile. When they do, your business will appear as a match, and they can send a connection request or link to you directly, depending on their setup. Once you're connected, you'll be able to send and receive bills and payments through Bill.com with that client, all tied to this shared network connection. And that's all there is to it. Go to Settings, open the Network section under Company Profile, find your Payment Network ID, and share that ID with your client so they can connect with you in Bill.com.